Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. I am Mrs. Bandana Singh, your English teacher and class teacher of 8th B. I welcome you all in our English class. How are you all and how are your days are going on? Let me know in the comment section whatever I am teaching you are getting or not getting. I don't know. I just want to know that whatever I am teaching are you getting or not getting. If you are facing any difficulty, if you have any doubt, if you want to ask something, please write that in the comment section below. I want the question, I want the comments from all of you. Okay, just write there. Now come on our topic. We are on the topic articles. Yesterday we studied what are articles. Now we all know that there are three articles in English grammar and these are the, a and n. And we know that how we use, where we use the and where we use a and n. And we have done one exercise also, exercise A. Now today exercise B. B is underline the article in this letter. There is one letter given below. We need to underline the article. Okay, what more we need to do? If they are incorrect, strike them out and write the correct article above them. See, the letter is Dear Isan. Okay, my mother recently got transferred to, here written article A, but is this correct? No, it's not correct. That's why they have cut it and at the place of they it's written the, because collector's office in Meghalaya is, it is a specific place name. That's why we use here article the. We have moved to Shillong. See, again written A, we need to cut it and need to write here the capital of Meghalaya, because Meghalaya is a particular place. That's why use the. Shillong was the capital of Assam till 1972 when the state of Meghalaya was created. Surprisingly, there is no railway station in the city. Okay. So we need to correct the articles. Whatever articles are given there, we need to check whether they are correct or not correct. If they are not correct, we need to cut and write correct article in the place of incorrect article. See, I have given some examples here and here. Now read remaining story and correct the articles. Okay, think it, revise the topic, you will get it. It's very easy. Okay, now come to the next topic. Next exercise is there. You need to complete this one. Okay, and use pencil only in book. Now next exercise is there. Given below is a conversation between Gauri and Yes. There is one article missing in each dialogue. Put a slash where the article is missing and write the article in the space provided. Okay, the best thing is there, the sentences are given below are the conversation. When there is a conversation, it is very easy for us to understand. Okay, we can guess what they are trying to say. So there are the sentence are the conversation between Gauri and Yes. Okay, there is one article missing in each dialogue. In each dialogue, there is one article missing. What we need to do, where the article is missing, we need to just put the slash. See here, slash, and we need to write the correct article. Where? Not there. We need to write the correct article here. See, place given here. Okay, the first one given by them only. Gauri saying, good evening, I seem to have misplaced dictionary I had. So it should be the article, and which article should be the. Good evening, Gauri saying, good evening, I seem to have misplaced the dictionary I had. May I borrow your, please? Yes, certainly, come inside while I look for. Again, we need to write article here. Yes, saying certainly come inside while I look for the dictionary. Next one is there. Gauri saying, thank you, I have come across. Again, we need to write article here. Thank you, I have come across a lot of new words ever since I have started buying books, ebooks. Okay, like that, complete all the sentences given below. Okay, give a slash like this wherever we need to write the article and write that article here in given place. Okay, complete whole conversation. Okay, now our next topic is zero article or no article. No article means the where we don't use any article. Okay, there are some fixed places where we don't use the article. We no need to use the article. That's why it is called zero article, or we can say no article. We do not use an article. Where we do not use an article? With the name of date, months, festival and season. Okay, I will request you to revise these points many time and learn these, where we don't use any article, where we don't use with the name of days, months, festivals and seasons. Like on Saturday we visited the bird sanctuary of Kapiti, Iceland. Okay, when we are using date, month, festival and season, we are not using any article. We will visit the botanic garden in the month of February. On one on the day before Thanksgiving, we will visit the National Wildlife Center. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Okay, in these places we no need to use any article. Before meals. Okay, before which breakfast, lunch and dinners are article in the holiday package. Okay, before lunch, breakfast or dinner are including in the holiday package. Okay, they are including in a holiday package, so we no need to use the article. So next one is before language or subject. Manik is studying French along with science, English and mathematics in school. See, these are the 3 points with the name of days, months, festivals and seasons. We don't use article. Next, before meals, before language or subject. These are the points where we don't use articles. Okay, along with that, come to the exercise number D. It's tick the correct option to complete these sentence. Okay, we just need to write the articles. These are MCQs. Okay, multiple choice question. Options given there, we need to just choose one option. First one is the empty place was given there. I have written the answer. Leaning Tower of Pisa was completed in the 14th century. Okay, it's a specific thing. Then we need to write the Leaning Tower of Pisa was completed in the 14th century. Next, it was built in three stages over a period of 199 years. And listen the thing. First you try to solve these exercises by yourself, then only see the answers, match the answer with the answers I am going to give you. In PDF form I will give the answers, but don't copy. First try to write your own answers. Okay. See, this is the exercise number D. Now after that come to the exercise number E. Mayank has prepared a timetable for himself to follow during the summer holidays. Rewrite it by expanding each of the tasks into complete sentences. Okay, this is about Mayank. He has prepared a timetable for himself. So just highlights are given about his timetable. We just need to expand these tasks into the complete sentence. Here this is important for us, that we should know how to form the sentence. First thing, and the second, we should know the tense. If we know the tense, we can make proper form of verb, and we can form proper sentence. Suppose number 1, 6 a.m. wake up, tidy bed. These are the points given. On the basis of these points we need to form the sentence. See, I have formed the sentence. Mayank wakes up at 6 a.m. Okay, see, 6 a.m. I have used here. Wake up also I have used. Mayank wakes up at 6 a.m. Tidy bed, and tides his bed. Okay, like this. Next one, 6:15 a.m. do yoga half hour. Again we need to form a sentence. Mayank does yoga for half an hour. Next, 6:45 a.m. brush teeth, bath, breakfast. Okay, this is his routine. He have decided, he have made the timetable, but we need to form this in proper sentences. Mayank brushes his teeth, takes a bath and has breakfast. Okay, like this you need to complete. Okay, just complete these sentences. First you try your best. If you will practice, then only you will be able to learn, as we know that practice only makes a man perfect. Complete these work. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.